Hello everyone, I am Dr. Didi, and in my today's video, I'm going to share the secret of happiness with your partner. We've all seen that whenever the time passes, partners usually start complaining about each other. They tell that their partner doesn't care for them anymore the way they used to do it earlier. So, in the initial stages of your married life, most of us are euphoric, and there is a high with each other that we usually ignore or feel less annoyed with the differences or with the issues that we face. But as the time passes, like maybe 10, 20, 30 years further moving forward, the characteristics that your partner starts showing, you feel that this is like he doesn't love me anymore, he or she doesn't love me anymore, or they don't take me seriously and they don't care for me, and usually these complaints start pouring in. And I have also come across many of my clients, many of my couples that they tell that now my partner doesn't love me the way he or she used to love me in the initial years of married life or in the initial stages of the courtship. But how does that happen? Let me tell you that it is not true. Many couples, they love each other in their mind, but it's only that the expression of their love changes with time. They are not able to explicitly tell you in the way that you want to hear or see in their actions or expressions. So in my today's video, I'm going to share uh, 5 love languages that will really help you to understand that how you and your partner like to give and receive love from each other. Yes, so in my today's video, those 5 love languages that I'm going to share with you will help you to explore the emotional side of your partner. So, the first love language is when your partner comes to you and listens to each and everything that you tell him or her. They appreciate you, they praise you, and they see no reason of it. Like, they praise you off and on without any reason or nothing, and they just come and compliment, and they make you feel understood, and they love to tell you that they love you. So this is like a sort of affirmation, the words of affirmation that your partner is telling you or giving you, and this is their form of showing love towards you. When they are praising you, appreciating you for no reasons, or complimenting you for no reasons, I mean, they just simply come and say, "Oh, you are so pretty," or "I am really lucky that you are in my life." So these are his or her way of telling you that they love you and they care for you. Now, the second type of love language is when your partner spends undivided time with you. That means that he or she gives you that attention, and during that time, they don't prefer to do anything else. They just sit with you, they listen to you, they make you feel involved with them. They do certain things, they share their own experiences, they do certain things that make you feel special about it in that time, and they prefer to have such activities when both of you can be involved with each other. So this is like spending a quality time with the partner, and this is how they show their concern towards you, and this is also a form of love. So if your partner is spending quality time with you, that means he or she still cares for you and loves you. Probably not in the way that you are expecting, but yes, in the ways he or she understands it, or he or she loves to do with you. So this was the second love language. Now the third is when your partner gives you gifts. Gift doesn't mean that he or she is giving you big gifts. It could be as small as like a small flower, a rose on any day, or something small things that he or she brings for you without any occasions. They love to celebrate the small moments with you. They love to enjoy that time, that doing everything mindfully. They are spending time with you and giving you small gifts. That is their expression of love, those small gifts. So understand that this is his or her way of showing love towards you. Now, the fourth love language is when your partner do something for you, like when he or she sees that you're tired and he brings a cup of tea for you. So this is one act of service, one act of thing that your partner is doing to for helping you, and this is their way of showing love. They may tell you that, okay, you want to watch TV, you want to see your program, you do it, I will manage everything. So this is, they doing some special acts, and this really is their form of showing love towards you. So acts of service is the fourth language. And the fifth one is that, when your partner comes and hugs you, he or she hugs you or kisses you or wants to be intimate with you at any time. I mean, it's not like that they will wait for it. They will just come and hug you, and this is their way of giving or showing love towards you. So now you have to find out that what is your partner's way of loving you and what is yours way of receiving it. Because it's not necessary, probably if I say that I want that my partner should listen to me, so probably my partner has the love language of making a cup of tea for me. I mean, that is what he knows, that he will just bring a cup of tea for me, and I say, no, I want you to listen to me. So probably there is a little clash on it. But understand that he or she is not refraining from you, but it is how he or she knows to express love towards you. So if you want to effectively communicate your love, you have to understand that what is your partner's primary love language. And once you do this, the emotional tank will begin to fill up again. You will feel that your partner has expressed love, and knowing that, one can really make a big difference in their relationships. The relationships can be more fruitful and more happy if you are able to understand their primary love language. And also if you are able to understand that what is your love language as well, because that will really help you that, okay, I like this, but my partner shows his or her love in that way. So that's fine, and you can always come and discuss together on the same platform. So that way you will not be seeing the flaws in your partner, and your relationship will grow stronger, and the bonding will be more strengthening, more strengthful, and you will really feel happy about it. So I'm sure this will really help you to understand the love language of your partner. See you. Bye bye in my next video.